Hello everyone, here is Hel from Conscious Rebhell, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious turmeric and carrot cake. Super easy to make, no flour, no sugar, a lot of maple syrup, but let's say that is better than refined sugar. Let's see how it is done. Switch on the oven at 180 degrees. While you wait for the oven to be hot enough, you can oil or butter a 20 centimeters cake tin. There we go, ready for when you will need it. In a big bowl, you can start to mix the almond flour, the wholemeal flour, cinnamon, turmeric, and the pumpkin spice. If you don't have pumpkin spice, you can use mixed spice for cakes. So now that you have everything inside, just mix everything. Once you have mixed the dry ingredients, you can add the carrots, the maple syrup, the melted coconut oil. Now you can mix all these ingredients together. You can do it by hand. I will do it by hand mix.
Just because I'm lazy.
Mix until it is well mixed. It's gonna be sticky. Now the mix is ready to go in the cake tin. Gone, it's very sticky, so you can just drop it inside and spread the mix well into the cake tin until it's completely covered and leveled. You can place it inside the oven and leave it to cook for 25 minutes. While you're waiting for the cake to bake, you can start to make the frosting. Put the coconut cream inside a little bowl and you can hand mix the coconut cream. But when you're gonna add the other ingredients, I highly suggest you to do it by hand, because otherwise it's gonna happen same thing that happened when you make mayo. It goes crazy, we say in Italian. So hand mix if you want this to get it creamy, and then add by hand all the rest. Now you can add the turmeric, maple syrup, and the melted coconut oil. Don't add it hot, add it tepid. So when you melted it, you can maybe leave it like 5-10 minutes in the fridge. So the temperature is gonna go a bit down, and then you can add it to the mix. And mix all together. Okay, this is the kind of consistency that you're looking for. So it's very creamy. It's basically a kind of frosting that we're gonna put on the cake once it's cold. Once 25 minutes have passed, we can check the cake, and I recommend you to check with a stick, put it in the middle, and you'll see if the cake is ready. So we can now put the cake to cool down for half an hour, 45 minutes, and then we can add the frosting. The cake is cold, so we can put the frosting on the top and spread it well all around. This is the final result. A very simple cake, absolutely delicious. It takes nothing to make. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, activate the notification bell. It would make my day. Comment down below, give me your suggestion. If you have any kind of recipe that you want me to try, I will try it for you and I will make a video just for you. And please subscribe even to tbsp UK, which is my husband and is the person behind the camera. So without him, all of this would be impossible. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.